Hello everybody, this is Rose of Winterbrose, and we want to show you some quick information about our newest tutorial, Saving Perfect Poses. We developed this tutorial because you work really hard sometimes to create that perfect pose, and now you want to save it and either sell it or share it with other people, and you're finding that when you saved it, it didn't quite work properly. So in this video series, which is just a little bit over an hour, we're going to show you a lot of things. Starting with model 1, it's going to be, of course, you're going to create your pose, and we're going to show you how to prepare for saving your pose. Then in module 2, we're going to talk to you about thumbnails and initial testing of your pose. Then in module 3, we're going to show you how to create a comprehensive testing scene. And we'll go really quick to DAZ Studio 4.10 to show you. So this is the rig that we have set up, and you can see we got a couple of characters in here, the new Toon Dwayne 8, and so we're going to show you how to set this up and to use it so that once you've created a pose and you want to test it fully, you're going to learn how to create this for whatever character you're using for your pose. It may not be Toon Dwayne 8, and we're going to teach you how to make this rig, and you can save it as a scene, and you can use it every time to test your poses and even new poses. Then, of course, in module 4, we're going to talk to you about your final pose adjustments to the pose before you actually submit it or distribute it. And here we're going to show you the final testing to make sure everything works just right before you actually do distribute the pose that you've saved that you worked so hard on. And then we're going to cover some alternative methods and some advanced concepts in Module 6 that you might find interesting. You don't really need them, but some people might like them. Show you some different things that you can do when it comes to saving your poses for DAZ Studio characters. We think you'll find this training very useful, so we hope you give it a consideration. Take a peek at it at DAZ 3D using the link below. Have a great day.